Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are seeing 2 BHK east facing house plan, and it is built on a large 4,463 square plot, and this ground floor plan offers a massive 1,864 square feet of built-up living space. Unlike the standard 2 BHK design, this layout focuses on grand oversized bedrooms and expansive living areas, all while strictly following Vastu shastra principle to ensure a peaceful and prosperous home. Coming to the plan, the plot is about 64 feet by 72 feet, and here we have an wide sit out is measuring 23 feet by 7 feet, and we have an our external staircase in the southeast. The house faces east, which is highly auspicious in Vastu. The main door is positioned perfectly to invite the morning sunlight, bringing positive energy, wealth, and prosperity directly into the home. And the entrance is measuring 15 feet 3 inches by 6 feet 6 inches. Coming to the kitchen from dining space, the kitchen is ideally located in the southeast corner. In Vastu, this is the zone of fire element, that is Agni, making it the absolute best place for cooking. Furthermore, the kitchen counter is designed so the cook faces east, which ensures good health for the family. And we have allocated water sink at the northeast. As per Vastu, the water zone will be in the northeast, and here kept the same. And this is 2 BHK plan, and one is master bedroom and one is kids bedroom. Coming to the master bedroom, it sits in the southwest, that is the Nayotya zone. The master bedroom is measuring 16 feet by 21 feet 6 inches, and it has an the zone represents the earth element, providing stability and strength. It is a perfect place for the head of the household to sleep, and we kept our head sleeping position in the south and the wardrobe in the west. The sleeping position should be in the south as per Vastu, and we kept the same here. And it is provided with an attached toilet of size 8 feet by 5 feet. And here the commode is pointed towards south, and usually it should be pointed towards south or north, and we kept towards south in the master bedroom. And coming to the kids bedroom, it is located in the northwest, that is Voy zone. The second bedroom is situated in northwest. This is a zone of air element, movement and transition, which is considered an excellent, highly beneficial location for growing children. And here also the bed sleeping position at the south and the wardrobe in the west. And it is also provided with an attached toilet, and it is measuring 8 feet 3 inches by 5 feet. Here the commode is pointed towards north. And coming to the living room, the expansive 21 feet 9 inches by 16 feet living room occupies the central and eastern portion of the layout. Vastu highly recommends keeping the center of the home, that is Brahmastan, open, spacious, and free of heavy walls, so the positive energy can circulate freely. And we kept the same here. And we have allocated sofa location over here. And opposite to that, we have allocated a TV showcase. And coming to the puja room, a dedicated puja room is placed on the eastern side near the entrance. Praying while facing east aligns with Vastu principle for spiritual harmony, focus, and peace of mind. And coming to the bathrooms, it is located in the west or northwest, and the common and attached tiles are strategically placed along the western and northwestern walls. This strictly follows Vastu rules to keep bathrooms away from the sacred northeast and southwest corners. And here we have one more common toilet. It's measuring 11 feet by 6 feet, and the commode is pointing towards north direction. These are the overall plan. This layout features massive bedrooms and strict Vastu complaints, including a southeast kitchen and southwest master bedroom, perfectly for those who love large and open living spaces. You can get more plans on our website, houseplansdaily.com, houseplans.world. Our apps are available on the Google Play Store, House Plans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, Planest, and Designs apps. We are conducting a 30-day online class on how to create house plants according to Vastu Shastra. If you are interested, please reach out via WhatsApp at 99520 290 632 to join. Thank you.